I'm Mark Sodonk with GSG. Today in the Applications Lab, we're going to answer another one of the many questions we get on our YouTube channel. And that question is this: if you've ever visited GSG booth at some of the many trade shows around the country, on our M&R Cruiser manual press, we're usually producing some really cool shirts with on-press foil application. So today in the lab, I'm going to show you how that's done. We're going to use two screens. We're going to use Avient Infinite Effects Fashion Soft Base, which we've tinted with Epic Rio Mixing Black by Wilflex. And we're going to use Avient Infinite Effects HD Clear 2 that we're printing through a 150 micron stencil, and we use Kiwo Thick Coat for that screen. So let's go on press, I'll show you how it's done. So our first screen is going to be our Avient Infinite Effects Fashion Soft Base with the Wilflex Rio Mixing Black in it. We're going to go ahead, hit this one time, give it a quick flash, and we'll go to our HD Clear. Now for our second screen, which is going to be our Infinite Effects HD Clear 2, printed through that 150 micron stencil. We're going to fill this stencil, we're going to print this, we're going to flash it, we're going to print it one more time, and then we're going to apply our foil. Now we're going to pull our print out from underneath the flash. We got it really nice and hot. That HD Clear 2 is going to be very sticky. We're going to hit our foil. Now we'll take our print, run it through the dryer for our final cure. So here you have it, a really cool way to do foil on press using Avient Infinite Effects HD Clear 2. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more information on the Avient Infinite Effects specialty line of inks, visit GoGSG.com, and thanks for watching.